Welcome to wordpress.com. Like Weebly, a very simple setup process. Here at wordpress.com, click on the sign up link at the top. A couple of additional fields to fill out here, beginning with the blog address. Now think of blog simply as website address. Again, not the domain name that you're going to be choosing and purchasing from GoDaddy, but simply the website address that you'll be using with your WordPress site until we can connect the two. A username, when I click on this, it simply takes the username from the blog address at the top. If you want to change this, you may. Type in a password, confirm that password, and an email address that you know you can check and get access to. I always leave this unchecked. I really don't want any additional email, but that's your choice, of course. Default language is English. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll notice that on the right-hand side, under the list of free features, you have an orange button. Go ahead and create the Create Blog button. Update your profile there. First name, last name. A little bit about yourself. You can leave that blank if you like. Save profile button. And scroll back down to the bottom. Check your email and eventually you will receive a message that looks just like this. Click the Activate Blog button right from within the context of your own email. And very shortly WordPress will confirm that you have created an account. Now, this is where you can spend a lot of time. Trust me, I have. Select a theme that jumps out for you right away. I'm going to go ahead and select this one. Choose this theme. Now, you can always go back and choose a different theme, but simply to get yourself working, choose one and then move on to the content. Now, there are a number of different items here on the dashboard that you can spend time looking at. I want to direct your attention to two areas first. The first, posts, add new. If I select this, I get a blank page, which is coming into view now. I can enter a title for my post and then down below add content to that particular post. What I will see is very much like a web page. Now, the difference between adding a post and adding a page is that posts will stack up with most recent to the very first post that you created. So what you will essentially see is more of a blog type format with just a long running list of content on one page. That may not be what you want, at least not right away. So I want to move you away from posts and direct you to pages. Go ahead and add new. Now this would be synonymous to adding a new page on your Weebly site. Again, very much like the Weebly site, you can enter a title for your page. I'll just put in test 1 and then below add content. Now if I wanted to add a picture here, I go to upload or insert. It's not quite as intuitive as the Weebly interface, but fairly intuitive. And then select files. It of course gives me to my hard drive. I select the file that I want to upload. Shows me that it's uploading down towards the bottom. There it is, with some additional information about it. And I'm going to go ahead and select Insert into Post. So it adds that picture very much like the Weebly site does, and then I can continue to add content after. There's a couple of additional formatting features here, but in essence, that is the page structure and how you create new pages. Now, I can either save the draft, which doesn't publish it live, preview it, which is always a good option. So I hit the preview button and I get a look at the page. Now this is just a header that of course I can remove and put something else in. Go look at that in just a moment. But in essence, there is your page. So if I go out of the preview, look, get back to here and then hit publish, now that page is live on the site. That is your tutorial for WordPress. Just enough information to get you moving. Good luck.